Indigo and welcome to my channel. It's officially Christmas, so I'm going to be doing a penguin-inspired makeup look. I'm incorporating your guys' feedback in this video, and I'm going to be doing a lot more in-depth look at what I do. So I already did my base because we came here to see the eyeshadow and the penguins on my face. Come on now. So when it comes down to my eyeshadow, I really like to go in and sketch the shape first, especially because I have hooded eyes and they're also two different shapes. I just like to make sure that it's gonna look good before I actually go in and start doing it. And this step you can be as messy as you want. It's literally just eyeshadow. You can rub it off if anything happens, like it's not that big of a deal. Okay, so the next step is creating a very white canvas. And I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Drug Lord Liquid Lip. And the best part is that it's eye safe. Unlike my other paints that have ruined my eyes. Next, I'm going to dip into the Jawbreaker palette in the shade Wow with a small little blending brush, and we're going to add that to this area, and we're just gonna put that on there. Next, I'm going to go with the shade Suck, and I'm going to add that right here. So you want to be careful with how much you add because we don't want to create a harsh contrast. We want to create a nice seamless blend. Now that we're done looking like a sad piece of candy corn, we're going to add some brain freeze in the inner corner. I literally hate doing the inner eye. Like, it's like the literal worst. Next, I'm going to use some black cream paint to create the eyeliner around the edges. Please don't do this. If you become blind, it is not my fault. I did not say to do this. Just going to use a very precise brush, and I'm just going to start from here, and then I'm just going to trail that downwards. And next, I'm just going to create an oval up here. My back is killing me right now. Alrighty, I'm going to take a quick visit to the chiropractor and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to mix these two colors to create an orange color and make a little stripe in the tail. This smells like candy. SeaWorld is shaking. Next, I'm going to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise to lengthen my lashes. Yo, I'm about to cry. I'm gonna cry, y'all.
If you know how I feel, why would this happen?
Okay, so if you're just gonna go to Olive Garden or Walgreens, I recommend you just stop the look right here. But since I am not doing any of those things, I will be painting the penguin on the side of my face. I'm gonna be using the pastel blue shade in the Maron Makeup Paradise palette to create the blue background. When you're working with face paint and body paint, the best technique is to create these little X's on your face so you get even distribution and you don't get any streaks or anything like that. Despite everything I just said, I do want the edges to have kind of like that paintbrush effect, so I will be flicking it outwards. Now I'm taking a precise brush and I'm just going to make little droplets. Some of you are very upset that I didn't show the process in the James Charles casting call, so I will be showing you guys right now. And my favorite thing about the splatter effect is that you can just find a pimple, cover that up, and y'all heard some? I feel like I have used this in every single one of my tutorials on this channel thus far. The name just speaks to me. Like Clown White, like me. I'm gonna add that around like the center. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Brain Freeze and Virgin to create a depth in the snow. I'm gonna use a dense little packing brush. Not sure what it's actually called, but that's what I think about it. Clouds are actually very easy to make. All you have to do is just press it on and that's it. And then I'm just gonna add some depth to the clouds with the Clown White. So next I'm gonna sketch out the penguins with black cream paint. Next, I'm going to use Clown White to fill in the white parts of the penguins. Next, I'm going to use the gray face paint to color in the baby penguin. Next, I'm going to add some yellow to the adults' bodies, and I'm also going to add the orange little dot behind their ears. Next, I'm just going to go back in with some black cream paint, and I'm just going to start adding a little more details to wherever I think needs more details. Last, I'm going to add a darker blue shade as shadows. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it's absolutely adorable. And honestly, the eyeshadow is very easy to recreate. Is it extra? Absolutely. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked me or my art, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys don't already, please follow me on my Instagram and share this video with someone that you think would like it. And thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the future. Cue the montage.